Today we're talking about 3 tips to grow your lawn and landscape business in 2020. Stick around to the end to hear all 3. They'll change your business this year. All right, before we get into it, you know the drill. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications of new videos as soon as they come out. I've been saying this in every video. This means the world to me when you hit that like button and you hit subscribe. Share this in all the groups so everyone sees these videos so you can help this channel grow and help be a part of it. So let's get right into it. 3 tips to grow your lawn and landscape business in 2020 and forever. Okay, so tip number 1 on how to grow your business in 2020 and beyond is marketing. We hit on this with a marketing plan the other day. There are 2 things you really need to focus on. Marketing is the first one. How you're gonna do it. Having your marketing plan. Knowing exactly what that looks like to grow your business. How much you've gotta put into it. How much sales you need to drive in. How hard you need to push on something that works and drives leads. So marketing is your first focus on growing your business. It brings everything in. It makes everything possible. You hear people talk about not having enough money to market. And honestly, you have to market to bring stuff in. You hear companies talk about growing on referrals, and that's true, but it is so slow. If you're marketing correctly, it is bringing in more than you're spending, and it allows you to keep marketing and marketing and marketing. So you gotta find some things that work, and you gotta have a little bit of faith. You gotta go out there and market. Number 2 is sales. You need to practice in sales. You need to become good at selling stuff. You know, if you're wondering why your business isn't growing, there may be a huge lead balloon sinking your ship. You know, there may be like a huge lead weight holding it down of you're just not good at sales. You know, when you see people learning to sell and getting better at selling, and you see them being fearful of learning and the different things that go into sales, that can really slow them down. And these 2 go hand in hand. These are really the 2 tips. The third is just something to tie all these together. But sales drives your business. First you market, then you sell what comes in, and then you gotta have a team to produce the work. Or even when you're starting out, even if you're all alone, you gotta market, then you gotta sell it, and you gotta do the work. That's how it flows into the business. Sales is so important to grow your business. And if you're becoming stagnant, it may mean you're lacking in the sales department. Sorry for the shaky video today. Playing daddy daycare, wrapping it all in one, wanting to get this video, this idea put in today. But so if you're lacking in sales, it could seriously be holding down your business. So this means reading books on sales, learning how to deal with objections, getting better, getting more comfortable with people, getting more comfortable with selling. Maybe you should start a YouTube video, because this is really challenging to talk in front of people when you're not used to it. And it's a good practice before you get in front of customers to be able to talk in front of people. So get with it. Try a YouTube video channel, or try a YouTube channel. Try something to get you comfortable with speaking with people, eye contact, everything. So focus on marketing, focus on sales. And the third thing to grow your business in 2020 is take that marketing and take those sales and put them together with an awesome CRM. Dump all of those leads, all of those estimates into something that allows you to keep up on those. You know, a CRM is going to help you be better at both. It's going to help you market if you have a nice CRM, if you have something like Service Autopilot or something else that allows you to do email marketing, it's going to allow you to market back to those people. So a CRM can allow you to sell better, because it can show you where you need to be following up on people to make sure your sales are going through the pipeline right. You know, there's so many different things in sales you've got to do, and a CRM can tie a lot of this together and help you get better at all of them. So that's it for the video today. 3 topics to help you grow your business in 2020 and beyond. And that starts with marketing, getting leads in the system. And then 2, with sales. It allows you to get leads in and actually produce a sold job. And then a CRM to put it all together, to track it, to follow up on and to produce it correctly. Everyone, let's go grow our businesses in 2020. Let's do this. Let's market. Let's sell. Let's use a CRM to rinse and repeat. Follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and of course YouTube. I love shooting this video with you today. I love talking about business growth. It was one of the topics that on the poll was the biggest. So everyone watching, leave in the comments below, what do you do to grow your business besides these things? Marketing and sales will blow up your business. It's the fuel that keeps the whole thing going. So like I said, awesome spending time with everyone today. I'll catch you soon. See ya.